Question 14 is one of the most interesting problems of this exercise. Here's what it says. Sides AB and AC and median AB of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ and PR and median PM of another triangle PQR, and we have to show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So let me show you a figure that I've drawn for this information that's given to us. So here are two triangles ABC and PQR, in which AD and PM are respectively the medians, and we are given that AB, AC and AD in the first triangle ABC are respectively proportional to PQ, PR and PM of the second triangle PQR. So let's write this fact. So we are basically given that AB by the corresponding side PQ is equal to AC by the corresponding side PR is equal to the ratio of the medians, which will be AD by the corresponding median PM. So this is what is given to us, and we have to show that triangle ABC must be similar to triangle PQR. So before I jump into the solution, let me explain how we will solve this problem, or the plan we will use to crack this problem. The thing is that if you want to be a great problem solver, it's always best to first outline the plan in your mind and only then go ahead and solve it. Okay, so let's formulate a plan to solve this problem. So here's what we are going to do. We are going to extend this median AD to a point E like this, such that AD is equal to DE. Similarly, we are going to extend the median PM to a point N like this, such that PM is equal to MN. So this is a construction that we are going to do. Now we will join the point E to the points B and C. So let me do that. So I'm going to join E to B and E to C, and similarly I will join this point N to the points Q and R. So N to Q and N to R. So the construction that we have done is extend the median AD to a point E such that AD is equal to DE, and extend the median PM to a point N such that PM is equal to MN. Okay. Now if we observe the quadrilateral ABEC carefully, so I'm going to highlight this quadrilateral for you. ABEC, this quadrilateral, we can immediately see that it's a parallelogram, since its diagonals AE and BC both get bisected at the point of intersection D. So ABEC is a parallelogram, correct? Make sure that you understand this. Similarly, if we observe the quadrilateral PQNR, let me highlight this quadrilateral PQNR, this is also a parallelogram because the diagonals get bisected at M. Okay, so now because ABEC is a parallelogram, we must have this side EC equal to AB. So let's write this fact. So EC will be equal to AB, and similarly because PQNR is also a parallelogram, we must have this side NR equal to the opposite side PQ. So let's write this as well. NR will be equal to PQ. Okay, now the next thing we will do is we will compare the triangles ACE and PRN. So let me highlight those two triangles for you. Triangle ACE is this triangle, and triangle PRN is this second triangle that I have highlighted. So we will compare these two triangles. Specifically, we will compare the ratios of the corresponding sides, and we will show that these two triangles are similar by the SSS similarity criterion. So pause the video for a moment to think about how we can do this. So once we have done that, once we have shown that these two triangles are similar, we will be able to say that this angle here, angle CAE, is equal to angle RPN. Okay, so actually let me highlight it in a different color. So angle CAE is equal to angle RPN is what we will be able to show. And similarly, we can say using similar arguments that this angle BAE will be equal to QPN, QPM or QPN. Okay, and from here if we sum these two angles, so angle BAE plus CAE, which is angle BAC, we can show will be equal to angle QPN plus angle RPN or angle QPR. So basically, if we finally, in the final step, if we then compare the triangles ABC and PQR, so in these two triangles, we can use the fact that BAC, angle BAC, this whole angle is equal to angle QPR, and also the sides containing these angles are proportional. AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR because that's already given to us. And so by the SAS similarity criterion, we can finally show that these two triangles are similar. So that's the plan we will follow to solve this problem. So now before I write out the solution, I would recommend that you pause the video and recall the plan in your mind once again to make sure that you fully understand it. Okay, so let's proceed now. So let me highlight triangle ACE and triangle PRN once again, and now we will compare these two triangles and show that they are similar. So specifically we will compare the ratios of the corresponding sides. Okay, so let me write out all the observations we are going to make. So in triangle ACE and triangle PRN, so the first ratio I'm going to take is AC by the corresponding side PR. So AC by PR equal to, now the next ratio is this side AE by this side PN. So do you think this will also be equal to AC by PR? Well, yes, because AE is simply double of AD and PN is simply double of PM. And in this original equality of ratios given to us, if we double the numerator and denominator of this ratio, so if we double the numerator we get 2AD, and if we double the denominator we get 2PM, correct? So this will be equal to 2AD by 2PM, and 2AD is simply AE and 2PM is simply PN. So we can write the fact that AE by PN is also equal to AC by PR. And finally, if we take the third ratio, which is EC by the corresponding side NR, do you think this will also be equal to AC by PR? Well, yes, because EC is equal to AB as we saw earlier, because AB EC is a parallelogram, this parallelogram that I'm highlighting. So EC is equal to AB. And similarly PQNR is a parallelogram, so NR is equal to PQ. So EC by NR will be equal to AB by PQ, and originally we are given that AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. So EC by NR we can say will also be equal to AC by PR. So all three ratios are equal. The ratios of all the pairs of corresponding sides are equal, and therefore we can say that the two triangles are similar by the SSS similarity criterion. So triangle ACE is similar to triangle PRN using the SSS similarity criterion. Okay, now basically why did we show this similarity? Well, because we wanted to show that this angle here, angle, so I'm just coloring this angle CAE is equal to angle RPN. This is what we really wanted to show. Okay, so let's write this observation now. So from here we can conclude that angle CAE is equal to angle RPN. So let's call this the first observation that we get. And similarly, using a similar line of argument, we can show that this angle here, which is angle BAE, is equal to this angle here. So using exact similar arguments, we can show that BAE is equal to QPN. So let's write this also. So I'm just going to say that similarly, we must have angle BAE is equal to angle QPN, right? And let's call this equation 2. And now what we'll do is we'll add these two equations, because what that will give us is that this whole angle BAC is equal to QPR, this whole angle. And this is what we really wanted to show, because we eventually have to show that triangle ABC and PQR, they are similar. So now we will add the two equations we have obtained. So by 1 plus 2, we will get on the left side CAE plus BAE, that's angle BAC on the left side. And then on the right side we have angle RPN plus angle QPN, that's angle QPR. Okay, now that we have obtained angle BAC is equal to angle QPR, now it's easy to show that triangle ABC and PQR are similar. So let's do that. So now we are going to compare triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Okay, so in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, we were already given that AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. This was already given to us. So AB by PQ equal to AC by PR was already given. And we also now showed that the included angle pair is equal. Angle BAC is equal to angle QPR. So basically all the stuff that we did before this was to show this equality, that these two angles BAC and QPR, they are equal. So this was what all the effort was about. Okay, so now we have shown that angle BAC is also equal to angle QPR. So basically now we can say that the two triangles must be similar by the SAS similarity criterion. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR using the SAS similarity criterion. Okay, so that completes our proof. This is what we had to show, that triangle ABC and triangle PQR, they are similar. So as you can see, this proof involves a number of steps. So go through it once again if you need to make sure that you have fully understood it. And also I will recommend that you work it out completely on your own once again. Okay, so that completes question number 14. To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.